Yeah, it's... Oh my goodness!
Hi, welcome to FilAmstagram, a family van life and travel channel. This is Big White, our DIY L300 campervan. Last episode, we showed the first part of our adventures in a wonderful campsite just 12 minutes away from the city of Tagaytay. Here at Virfran campground, we were able to relax, camp, and meet up with our Vanlife friends who also brought their own DIY campervan.
Okay, well, we have to get our cooking setup going. See you tomorrow.
Enjoy the evening.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
This is part 2 of our Virfran campgrounds adventure.
Okay, so I'm going to be drilling a hole here big enough to put our LPG hose through because our tank is, I guess. So there's our tank. There's already a hole started. Of course, it needs to be like 4 times bigger than that. It's 1 out of about 5 holes.
Oh, I got a bite.
Okay, I had to give up on my dream of getting the hose through the bottom right now because it's past 7 p.m. and we haven't started cooking yet. I needed like 2 more holes there to make kind of like a circle, but 2 drill bits and they're dull now. So what I ended up doing, just for the time being, is I ran the hose up here. See that? Up and around to the kitchen area, behind the sink, and glamorous out the window. Hey, babe. Hi. So, mishap number 1. Well, it wasn't a mishap. It's just dull. What are they called? Drill bits. I can't even think anymore. I'm so hungry. Mishap number 2 is Tata didn't know how to put the pressure hose on right. So, it took us a half hour of trying, and then we called over the owners, who are the nicest people in the world. Sir Rafi saved us. Thank you, Sir Rafi. He saved us. He worked on it almost, well, probably 15 minutes himself. He finally figured it out. Props to him. Props to this place. It's a beautiful night. It's already getting Tagaytay Fields. It's getting cold. Are you getting cold yet, Miriam?
No.
No? This is Tagaytay Fields, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice. This is a nice place, huh?
Uh-huh.
When will we come back?
I don't know, but hopefully soon.
Yeah, this is very beautiful.
I'm sitting on a cardboard island in a sea of grass.
Let's see. Oh my goodness, you're right. That's a cardboard island in a sea of grass. Profound words by Miriam Grace.
The menu for tonight is chicken adobo sa gata.
Ooh.
We're just gonna heat up some laing and kulawo, given to us by our guests. Ross and
Ooh.
Sylvia,
yeah.
remember?
Yeah.
All right. Starting to salivate.
Yuck.
Things got the chicken out. And Miriam all of a sudden started doing taekwondo. I think that's against meat eaters. Raw chicken. Okay, moment of truth.
There! Yeah.
Ooh, we got a flame. It's a small flame. Is that gonna work? That looks a little better.
Maybe I can try to shield it. Oh, whoa! This thing is bulky.
Yeah, it's... Oh my goodness! All right, let's see. See if she can. If not, we're just gonna cook over the campfire. Okay, this is getting funny now. Oh, right here, look, it's so simple.
See, this thing, it needs pressure to keep it pushed and open like that. So this is supposed to keep the pressure on it. Put the clamp on before you put the hose on, and it's supposed to just stay open, but it doesn't stay open.
No,
So-
it doesn't stay open. I've actually done this in the past, what we're about to do, which is tape it shut. I mean, open. However you want to say it. And hope for the best. As long as she gets that nice and solid. What do you think?
I'm hoping for the best. Maybe it'll work.
Can you tell that it's still open?
Yeah, it's open.
Okay. Don't tape the hole shut. No. If this doesn't work, we're going fire pit over there. It's probably wet wood. It's going to be a whole ordeal in and of itself, but we're getting hungry, so necessity is the mother of all invention. All right, moment of truth.
Not working. Okay.
What the hell?
To the campfire!
So, word to the wise, walks and campstones, they just don't go well together. That's how Bing's disaster happened earlier. Look, it just... Our windbreaker thing's not exactly set up right either because we can't engage this side because of the hose. So, if it falls down, it's going to kind of bring everything with it. Yeah, see, if I let this go, just even the wind could just make that start slipping and sliding all over the place. I'm just going to hold it. We actually have a bigger flame now, which is... That was a blessing in disguise, I guess. So what happened was, even though the guy fixed it, this still wasn't engaging the bulb or whatever it is there that allows the gas in. It was probably only half engaged because there was barely any fire coming out. Right. This is actually a milestone for us too, because I don't think we've cooked with the stove at this camping setup table yet, have we? We would always have to cook out back.
Yeah.
It's one of the reasons why we got this table.
Right.
What I was drilling underneath earlier, the hose will come out from underneath, you know what I mean? Yep. So it'll all be hidden. And it won't be coming out the window like that where it could burn and then catch fire. Right. A milestone reached. We're using our table here. It's beautiful. All right, so we've added our garlic. We cook up the chicken, then we add the potato back into it, and she's gonna put the soy sauce and vinegar and
coconut.
Yeah, I love it. It's quite a challenge to get back into camping, you know, after you haven't done it for a while. Camping's not easy, you know. People like it, we love it, but you have to admit that it's not easy because you don't have your normal things. Like after we had to wash all these dishes after we're so tired, we're gonna have to walk all the way over to the kitchen over there, which is 50 meters away.
We have our own kitchen sink here, but we didn't
set up the water.
We didn't fill up the gravity water system
because we had to purify the tanks.
Yeah. Never enough. Never. Okay,
so we've added the vinegar, cocoa mama, and the potatoes back in. So we're just gonna let it simmer a little bit. Hopefully this flame lasts for us.
That one is kulawo.
All right, we're just gonna flash fry it.
Yeah, halo-halo na yan sa bowl kasi pare-pareho naman silang may gata.
Hey, you have to do what you have to do when you're camping.
Yeah. That one is laing. Lying beside you here in the dark.
All right, here it is. Final outcome.
Yep.
Look at that. Wow. Halo-halo.
Halo-halo. Halo-halong adobo sa gata, kulawo, at laing.
Hopefully we didn't offend anybody. Sorry, Ross.
Pare-pareho naman silang gata.
Okay. Bon appetit.
Oh, wala pala kaming kanin because we are doing the keto diet, no carb.
Yeah. Masarap sobra.
Iba. You can taste all the flavors. Woo. Worth it?
I guess so, yeah, at the end.
Suffering. Food tastes 10 times better when you're camping. Because you have to work 10 times harder to feed it.
Oh yeah, don't get burned. If you can light it again, we'll certainly get s'mores. Yeah, just light it on fire. Light the fire on fire. Just pretend it's a big holy candle.
It's a big holy candle?
So that you won't get burned.
7, 8, 9, 10. All right, bring it over to the chocolate.
Before it cools down.
Like in your hand like this. You coming out the side? Oh yeah. Yeah. And now look, we actually have a fire going.
Hey.
I want to go to sleep. There's your s'more, Miriam. Happy s'more day.
Yum.
And now, it's the end of the day. Time to turn the living room into our bedroom. Ibinaba na namin ng Murphy bed at sinetap na rin ang pull-out loft bed ni Miriam.
Alright, so it's sleeping time.
Yeah, no microphone.
No microphone. Buzzing fan. Yeah, so we're at sleep. Long day. long, but definitely worth it.
Don't know how to speak anymore.
Yeah.
Brain shut off.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Good night, Miriam.
I thought you were falling asleep. Yeah.
You're actually reading. Okay.
All right, see you tomorrow. I saw your hands.
Good morning.
Good morning, babe.
Good morning.
Still a little too early for me, but we're good for our coffee. What do we have here? Ooh, that smells good.
Oh, this is my first time. It's like coffee, but it's a tea bag. Skip the brew. Just steep. I thought it said just sleep.
That would be bad marketing for a coffee company. Just sleep, don't drink your coffee.
Now for some keto coffee.
Ooh.
This is butter in the coffee. It seems ridiculous, but once you try it, you have to agree it's absolutely delightful.
Yeah.
Because if you put salted caramel in your coffee, why not salted butter?
All right, Van Clan. That's another one for the books. Beautiful place to go. We highly recommend it if you want just a peaceful, calm, serene evening. Really quiet place at night. I highly recommend it. Especially, I mean, coming to Tagaytay, and you know, if you're planning some kind of staycation, you could do one night car camping here and then go to a condo like Misty Morning Homestay.
Wink, wink.
You can do a two-nighter, you know, and one night out in the raw wilderness. That's it. We got to get back to the condo. All right. That's it for now. Stay tuned. Sending love from Cavite.
For more van life adventures, subscribe to our channel.